Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a simple looking expression that many people fail to solve. So we are going to solve what's the right method to solve and what people do mistake in this. So 10 divided by 5 multiply 10 by 10. Here what people do, they cancel out the 10 with 10 and then 10 divided by 5 as 2, which is the incorrect answer. So here 10 divided 5 by 10 times 10. What you have to do, you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule or BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. Here first you have to solve the parenthesis if given, then exponent, then multiplication, division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. So here we have two symbols, multiplication and division both have same priority, but we already said we have to solve it from left to right. So on left, first is division. So 10 divided 5 by 10 and 10 multiply 5 by 10, both are different things. In this case, you can cancel out this and the answer is 5. But in this case, when there is a division sign, then you have to follow KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So let's apply this. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So this becomes 10 multiply 10 by 5 times 10. So we can now cancel out this 5 and 10 with 2. So 10 times 10 times 2, that is 200. So what is the correct answer? 200, not 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.